Chainsaw Man gave us the first look at its upcoming Season 2, the International Assassins arc, and it looks bloody incredible. With the recent release of Chainsaw Man's Reze movie, a lot of us were very curious on what direction the studio would take stylistically. Would they stick to Season 1's aesthetic and atmosphere, or would they pivot to the Reze style? And it seems like they chose Reze. This is a perfect choice, and I think it will effortlessly aid their decision making in regards to how bombastic the final stretch of this story is. Perhaps an early cause for concern is that we don't really know its length. While it's most likely going to be a couple of years out, one could assume that they're going to release a 12-episode season. This is very much possible with a bit of restructuring and a bit of lengthening out. However, it brings into question the remaining of the story. Do you try and do another 12 episodes with the Gun Devil and Control Devil arc to end off Chainsaw Man, or do you turn it into a movie? And after the incredible response to Reze's movie, I wouldn't be surprised if they chose that option. The Assassin arc has a lot of fantastic and iconic moments within this story. I'm super excited to see it animated and curious to see what direction they take with this story and how they start to bring things to a close. Let me know your thoughts.